Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome to my Boxycharm base box unboxing for the month of August. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. And if you're new to Boxycharm, it is a makeup, hair care, and skincare monthly subscription box for about $30 a month after tax. And I will go ahead and leave my referral link and code down below. This is just so that I can get some charm points if you guys decide to use that link, but I love this box. I love all of these boxes for the most part. I think it's very well worth it, and for trying some really good things. Some of my biggest hits have been in Boxycharm. Also some of my biggest misses, but at least if you're getting something you don't really like, it's not like you spent too much money on it. This month's theme is Dusk Till Dawn. And the first item I have in my box is actually my choice, and this is the Glow recipe. It's the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. And it's reignite the sparkle in your eyes with a gentle but powerful eye cream formulated with avocado, encapsulated retinol, coffee berry, and niacinamide. Long-lasting activities released to help moisturize, brighten fine lines, and depuff, and it retails for $42. I don't know a whole lot about retinol. Honestly, I like Glow recipe. Every time I've gotten them in my Boxycharm, I have liked them, and I think their packaging is just so cute, so I chose this for the month. And it's gonna take me a while to form an opinion on it, but I do like this. The next item in the box is actually an item that I picked out last month for my choice. However, I got another shade in this. It just came in my box, so I was a little bit disappointed when I opened my box, but after trying it, I actually really liked it, and that is the Alley Oop Stack the Odds. And this time I had the shade Sassy Pants. It's the pinker version. The last time my last box featured, I think the shade was Sunkissed, so it's more corally, so I was thinking about giving it away if I had gotten the same shade, but now that I tried it out, I actually think I like this one more than the last one. This product here, it's a 3-in-1. It's a stackable compact. It's got a cream blush, bronzer, highlighter, and this retails for $38. And I have tried around, because I tried around the one I had last month, my opinion on it is it's good. I don't think it's very long lasting. I think it's definitely one of those items that I feel like needs to be set on the face. And for me, I hate setting products on the face with like a powder because my skin is dry and it can easily make my makeup look cakey, so I don't really like that, but I love the application of it. I love how it looks and feels on the skin, and I think it's great. I think it's one of those items that, especially if you don't want to set it, I think it's one of those items that's great if you're going to go out for a few hours, you just want to put something on your face, you want to look fresh, you want to look glowy. But I wouldn't recommend wearing this for long term, but I do like the one I got last month, and I think I like this shade even better. Pink tones are more up my alley versus coral. So I'm not mad that I got a second one of these. And then we've got the Girlactic Metallic Sparkle Eyeshadow Duo. This one is in the shade Glam. The velvety, easily blendable, this metallic cream formula, it creates a high reflex sparkling finish that is easy to apply, blends easily, and wears all day, and this retails for $20. Normally, I would put this on with a primer, but today I decided not to, just because I'm having a really hard time with liquid eyeshadows lately, and I think it's because I'm priming and setting my eyes instead of just letting this be my eyeshadow base. So today I went ahead and I didn't put anything additional on my eyes, and I put this on, and I think I like that effect better. So I'm probably gonna have to play around with some more of my liquid eyeshadows to see if I really like it. I'm gonna see what the wear time is without the primer, but that's for another video. This product itself, I actually really like it. I feel like Boxycharm has been sending me a lot of like golden tones and like pinky shimmery eyeshadows. Instead of mixing up the colors, I probably just need to go into the quizzes and just say I want more colors than just this, which is usually, if you're not liking your boxes, just go back and retake the quizzes and see if that changes what you get in your box. I find that that's actually been super helpful. But I really like this shade in particular. I think it looks really pretty on the skin. I think it's got some very subtle like pinky reflex in it, which I'm not mad at. I think this is one of those great for like one and done eyeshadows. I put this on and then I just blended a bronzer in the crease just because I like to define my crease. But I feel like this could be very much an eyeshadow that you can wear like as a one and done. I'm trying to get out the door, don't want to have to prime and do a lot of work to my eyelids, and so I feel like this is a very pretty one. And if you're brave, I would go as far as saying if you've got a deeper complexion, you could probably get away with using this as a highlighter. Very, very light-handed. I should probably try that, but I'd be willing to bet if you are in a rush and you do have a deeper skin tone, if you use a light hand, you could probably make it work as well. And then we've got the Luxy all-purpose sponge set. This duo beauty sponge is best used damp and made for your liquid complexion products. This sponge absorbs the least amount of product and applies the majority of it on your skin. The microfiber sponge used to dry will apply powder products smoothly, or used wet will apply your liquid products with no lines of demarcation, and it retails for $40. So what I did was I used the smooth one to just apply my foundation and concealer as normal, and then I used the microfiber side for the powder. I don't really have an opinion yet on it. As I was saying, I really wanted to play around with these more. I would love to play around more with the microfiber side. I think it definitely has a good concept to it. I think I can really like these if I play around with them, right? For me, all sponges are just kind of the same. I don't really have one that's like, oh my gosh, it's amazing, and one that's like, eh. I just kind of don't really have an opinion. But I like sponges in general, and I really don't mind getting them in my Boxycharm because they do, I feel like, go bad kind of quick. So I love getting sponges in my box, and that way I don't have to go out and buy them, and I can like focus on things that I really want to get beauty wise. Last item in my box is the Item Beauty by Addison Rae Boost Juice Dual Ended Lash Primer and Colored Mascara. Nourish, prime, and color coat lashes with this multitasking elixir. A boosting primer and colored mascara in one helps lashes look fuller, longer, and juicier. It features 2 conditioning hues that disappear under mascara and infused with lash-loving conditioners, and this retails for $18. I have not had a blue mascara since middle school, so this takes me back to my middle school self. I remember growing up with my grandma going into her makeup every once in a while and just seeing the blue mascara and just wanting to play around with it. When I was old enough to where my mom allowed me to wear makeup, I remember going to school loving blue mascara, especially when it rained, getting out, and I would love how the rain would smudge the blue mascara and I would like get this like cool blue effect like under my eyes. This mascara would have been my middle school dream. Being an adult now, I've actually been wanting to get a blue mascara back into my collection just to play around with it as an adult. And so to receive this, I'm actually super happy about it. I don't think it'll be an everyday mascara. I have to go out a little bit later today, and I'm debating whether or not I'm going to put a coat of black mascara on top of it or not, just so I don't look crazy. But at the same time, I kind of don't mind the blue. I want to just kind of wear what I want out, but I don't want to look super crazy, you know? But I'm super thrilled to have this. My middle school self would have like loved this. This is like my middle school dream mascara, and I got an Item Beauty mascara a couple months ago in my box, and it is one of my favorite mascaras. So to get another one of these in the blue form, I'm thrilled for. So I can't wait to be playing around with it. I feel like it looks really beautiful on the eyes. The blue is very opaque. The primer is very nourishing. I feel like the primer could be a little bit more, like, it just feels a little bit soft and not as like, what's the word am I looking for? Like, I feel like it could pack more of a punch, but again, because it is one of those products that is supposed to be nourishing and priming, I'm not mad at it. I really like this. This actually might just be my favorite item in the box. With that being said, I will leave the total value of the box either on the screen here or in the description box below if you're curious. This box, I'm not gonna lie, I originally opened it and I was kind of disappointed. I'm like, okay, you know, this may be the first box in a while that I actually kind of don't like. However, after putting on all of the items, I had such a fun time applying them and filming them this morning that I actually really think I'm gonna love this box. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled with this. I love the color story on this. And then this is just, again, my middle school teenage self. It's the Dream mascara. So bringing back some of my childhood, and this is just cute. Like, there's just no working around it. It's cute. I don't think it smells. Let me smell it real quick. Actually, no, it does. It smells sweet. Kind of smells like that cucumber melony kind of smell. Again, takes me back to my childhood, and it's just cute. So with that, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to leave any kind of video requests down below, and I will see you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.